When I first heard the term ripple edit, I found it a rather daunting term, but turns out it's very straightforward and is actually the default method in Final Cut Pro. So if you have your cursor, which is A, and let's go to the second clip in the timeline, you'll notice when you shorten it from the beginning, the rest of the timeline before it adjusts accordingly. And the same thing with the end of the clip. If you shorten it by the end, the rest of the timeline shortens. That is called a ripple edit because it ripples across the rest of the timeline. Now, what if you want the opposite? What if you want to shorten your clip but not affect or ripple across the entire timeline? Click P up here with the position tool and do the same practice, shorten the beginning, but instead of rippling across the timeline, it just creates a blank space where the clip was. The same thing with the end of the clip. If you shorten it, nothing in the timeline moves or ripples, you just have a blank space.